Mama. So, Mama, it's getting kind of dark. Hey, Thomas. Hey, Sally. See, we have this little fenced area for him right now. I'm going to go lock him up. Hey, Thomas, time for bed. Come on, guys. Hey, buddy. Hey, guys. Hey, you let me pet you. Wow. Hey, Sally. Hey. 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 Guys, you ready for bed? Time for bed. So we built a cage scenario for him. Good night. Come on, Thomas, go to bed. Good night, guys. So it's fenced in all the way around. It's kind of dark now. Has a metal roof. Good night, Thomas. Good night. Good night. And they are locked in tight for the night. So this is where the chickens and ducks go at night. They put themselves to bed. I put the geese over here. They're in their pen for the night. Hey guys. Nothing's getting in there. And then chickens, ducks all go to here. They just perch wherever they want to. Good night, guys. And again, it's fenced around, all the way around. And they are locked in tight. We have water that comes out for them too. I turn that down at night. And I'll come and let them out in the morning and they can go wherever they want.